It's gonna be me trying to get my car ready for summer vacation. I have a lot of things to do on the car before it's ready. The car I'm going to fix is a 1982 SAAB 900. The engine was pulled last summer because of the gearbox. The fourth gear was gone. The third gear popped out whenever I accelerated. And every time you let off the throttle going backwards, the wheels would just lock up. The springs are bad and I need to replace at least one of them. But I'm gonna replace all four. The other thing is that I have a minor exhaust leak. Other than that, and maybe the brakes, I think we're all set for inspection. Just a disclaimer though, I am not a mechanic and I have no idea what I'm doing. Don't take this as a tutorial on how to do things. Maybe more of a tutorial on how not to do things. Cold start SAAB 900. Dead battery. Attempt number 2. These are the springs I'm gonna use. Lesjöfors sport springs. These springs, from what I understand, are basically the best springs I can get for this car. I've gotten this restoration kit from the Swedish SAAB club that basically replaces this fabric part. These old SAABs use that fabric and the rubber piece to give the seat a springiness to it, and that rubber usually dries up and cracks. This is how the seat looks before I fix it. It looks like factory bucket seat. This one I've actually tried to fix myself earlier. This was my attempt. It held up a few days basically, and then it just stretched in the wrong places and returned to what it was before. will go from this to look like something more like this that actually supports you. I'm gonna fix the reverse lock mechanism, and to do that I need to remove these specialty made SAAB nuts, but I do not have the tool for it. We're gonna make the tool. Okay, so let's see if this tool actually works. I think it went loose. Yes, nice. There we go. Now it's locked in reverse.